Tesla Model S mod, so I'm gonna actually see if I can find that, and maybe I'll upload that video.